Assalamu alaikum. Hello there. Welcome to Tamim's English Care. Right now I'm standing at the middle side of crops field. As you can see on my left side, there are a lot of guard sweet trees. Okay, as you can see, I am going to show you the exact scenario. And as you can see, there are a lot of gut trees, and gut trees are they are initiative stage. Okay, and I can assure that as far as in my point of view, within some days the guts sweets will be giving the exact result and give the gut sweet. But now we can see there are not gut sweet available in the field. Okay, as you can see on my right side, there are forage crops. Okay, and I am trying to going there. Okay, now I am walking into the field, and on my left side there are forages. Okay, and as you can see on my right side there are a lot of tomato trees. Okay, and tomatoes are not able, the trees are initiative stage, and within some days maybe it will give exact result. Okay, this is the thing. Now you can see behind me, there are beans trees, and beans are already giving. Okay, and you can see beans are able, and between some days beans will growing exactly after growing beans, and the farmer will take it and they will eat it. Okay, so this is the thing. And now I am passing the beans. Now I am going to back from the crops field. In our country a farmer are cultivated different types of crops, and that's why we can live in earth very easily. So I have to give the credit of farmers